Say hi to Chuck. Hi to Chuck. Come back.
Oh, come here, come here.
He said, I'm history.
Come here.
I'm out of here.
Mommy, helping mommy scatter house.
To make a mess. Say I just got up. I took a nap.
That's good. That's good.
Oh,
Get out of the way.
There's Chuck.
Yeah.
Of a new era,
He's having fun.
a new era full of promise,
Say
but also
hi.
one
Hi, big guy.
that is replete
No,
with
don't pull that. Don't pull that.
Decorating.
your
Mom.
military.
Hey, where you going?
Influence to lead the effort.
I gotta go to factory to you.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah, there are lots. It's really huge.
Brandon.
This is. Marina said, so we are waiting for that day.
Brandon. Go to Chuck.
No, he doesn't know Chuck. Do you?
You
don't know
knows it.
You want my hat?
There. Come on.
There. Go get it.
Go. Oh.
Get it.
Come get that quiet little hat.
Go get it. Come on. There. What's wrong? What's wrong?
You're getting down there. You got a big smile. Where'd he go? Where's Brandon? Where's Brandon under there?
No more, Brando. Oh, there you
I'm back.
are.
He is. He put on.
The Soviet Union is suffering from a short supply of a major
You gonna put it on?
diet.
Huh?
That has citizens in a
Put it on.
He's gonna chew on it. Huh?
Uh,
Everything
Put it
goes
on
to
your
your
head.
mouth.
well, that's you have to taste it. It don't taste so good, does it? Huh?
Sino mo naman na isa rasa?
Yeah.
What happened here? I wouldn't have believed it.
You will come here once in a while, so
Okay, sometimes.
yeah, but it's so far.
What, Brandon?
Yeah. So you'll take your
Hey, come here.
one day here should be
Come
the
here.
whole day.
Toys they're not supposed to play with.
Oh, that's dirty.
That's the favorite
No.
one. That's the favorite one, Grandma.
I'll give you something.
Look at those legs.
He's so funny.
Toy. Okay. Here's your toy. Okay. There.
Ah. Is it too hot up here?
No, it's hotter than you, Mom.
I know.
Yeah, it's hard on you.
Hi.